Hello friends, my name is Sami and you are watching Sami Khan Official. In this video I will unbox this Nikon Camera D3400 and I will also instruct you the process of this camera. So friends, before starting the video, I will request you to all my friends, if you are a new member to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press on the bell icon and like my video and share my video with your friend also. So friends, let's get started. Here you can see I'm unboxing this camera. Here is the camera, and here is the lens of the camera. You have to join this lens with the camera like this. Just scroll it. It has joined. Now you have to insert this SD card into the camera like this. After that, first of all, charge this battery and then insert into this camera. And for taking photos, first of all you have to remove this, and here are the buttons of this camera. By this button you can on and off the camera, and here's the mode selection mode, and here is also some button. I will guide you all this. So first of all, for taking photos, just click on this and scroll this on this camera from here. If you want to see from here, so then see. If you want to see on the screen, then click on LV button. And for taking photos, you have to press and hold for some time. Now you see the flash is on. For turning off the flash, you have to scroll like this, and here you can see the photo will be without flash. And now here are some other instructions also. Here are the effect of this camera. You have to change the effect also by scrolling this. There are many effects available. If you don't want to use effect, just scroll from it. And from this button you can see your photos, and for deleting photos you have to click on the dustbin button twice, so then the photo will be deleted. And while you are taking photos, you can zoom in and zoom out also. You can see zoom out, and here zoom in. Here you can see you can zoom from 18 mm to 55 mm like this. Now it has set to 18 mm. Now I will zoom up to 55 mm. Here you can see. And for focusing the camera, is you can focus out. You can make your photo blur also like this. Now the photo is blurred. If you don't want to take blur photos, then focus it out. Now it is clear. And once you capture the photo, click on this, and from this button you can zoom in and zoom out also like this. And here is the menu. There are a lot of more options in the menu. I will make another video on the menu also, because there are much options I cannot discuss here. So, and here is the button to record a movie. Like you to press on this button. Like you can see, now the movie is recording. It can record up to 20 minutes. You can zoom in and zoom out also in the movie. For stopping the movie, you have to click this button again. Now for playing the movie, click on OK. And here is the speaker of the camera. And for deleting the movie, double click on it. First of all, stop the movie and double click, and then the movie is deleted. And while you are capturing photos from here, there is the option to see your object near or far. And once you have captured your photos and done everything, then you have to click on this and scroll like this and put this back. And that's it guys, that was video. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon and like my video if you liked, and share my video with your friend also. We will meet in the next video inshallah. Goodbye.